Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we got something incredible, exciting to share with you. Language translation using the power of ChatGPT. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest videos. Now let's dive right into it. In this video, I'm going to show you one of my favorite ChatGPT-based business language translation. ChatGPT is a cut-edge language model that can effortlessly translate text from one language to another. Make it an incredible versatile tool. As you can see here, I'll be translating text snapshot from Spanish to American English by simply putting the text in the quotations and the right command of ChatGPT will work. It's like a magic. I have taken some random text. So here is the text. I'm taking it. It is written in the Spanish. So I'm just copying it. I'm putting it in the inverted commas. As you can see here, I'll be translating this text snapshot from Spanish to American English by putting this text in the quotations. As using the right command, ChatGPT will work like a magic. Let's try this. This is the command like translate this article into American English from Latin Spanish. So we are given. Wow, look at this. ChatGPT has flawlessly translated this text. It's a game changer for business and individual who need accurate and reliable translation. But wait, that's more. One more thing I absolutely love about ChatGPT is it's about handling the figurative languages like idioms and expressions. Take an example, the phrase "the cat out of the bag." Translating this literally can lead the confusion, but ChatGPT is so intelligent that it can understand the true meaning and provide accurate translation. Let's try it. I have provided one idiom like the cat out of the bag. If you translate any other language, it's make nothing. So the chat GPT is very intelligent. It can understand what is the actual meaning and provide the accurate translation. Let's see. See, it has provided the meaning of this idiom. Now, let's explore some fantastic business opportunities with ChatGPT, especially for those starting out and looking various introduced to travel world. See, here I am giving a broken English and asking ChatGPT to rewrite this text into a perfect US English, removing anything that isn't necessary for this type of writing. Let's see what ChatGPT will do. See, it has rewritten the sentences, and it is more understanding than the previous sentence. In this way, you can use the ChatGPT to translate anything. If you found this video helpful, give a big thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. Also, let us know in the comments if you are using ChatGPT for translations or any other business ideas you like to explore with this incredible tool. Thanks for tuning in today's Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos on AI and tech. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.